So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see how to view total spend in Meta Ads. Firstly, log into your Meta Ads Manager account and then select the ad account you want to review. Open the Campaign tab. You can also view spend at the ad sets or ad level. Just click Columns. Select Performance and make sure Amount Spent is enabled, then click Apply. In the top right corner, click the Date selector and then choose the period you want to analyze. The Amount Spent column shows spending for each campaign, and at the bottom of the table, Meta displays the total spend for all visible campaigns. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.